decided to write a grant because we thought, since we had already gotten the hydroponic garden and a few other things, we thought it'd be fun to grow a salsa garden.
I planted and I did some seeding.
I think it's really fun, and I like how you can see like what plants are meant to grow in like what season.
The kids love it.
Holy!
They stand up, we got
Holy!
They would remember what they planted and refer to different plants as their plant, and they would go, every time we would come out, they would come out and check on their plant. We came out one day and the broccoli was growing, and they all started chanting for broccoli. And that was my favorite memory from it because you don't hear kids chant for broccoli very often. Here we go!
Oh yeah!
I learned that the radishes grow underground, and I didn't know that.
You get to see a lot of different vibrant colors that you wouldn't think vegetables would be colored.
So the ultimate goal is to keep the garden going. Right now it's a fourth grade garden, but it's been neat to see students from across the campus and all different grade levels coming in and visiting the garden.
We are